Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is the quickest one and it requires a secret code, and the second is, let's say, manual and a little bit longer using the settings. And of course I'll show you both options. So I believe we should start with the quickest option. So let's enter the dialer and let's enter the code which is responsible for opening the information about the IMEI and serial number. Probably it is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we only receive the information about the IMEI numbers. We've got two different IMEI numbers because we've got two different SIM slots. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way, as I said, using the settings. So not only if it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work, but it will be also useful if you want to check the serial number of this device, because as you saw, it did not appear with the IMEI using the code. So let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And now all we have to do is to simply enter the status. And as you can see right here, we've got the IMEI numbers again for both SIM slots, and the serial number also appears right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.